Present here. Today the assembly.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dakshit from E1. Warwick. Mountain. Very tall hill. Thank you.
Thank you, Dakshit. Now let's call upon Brainrick for sharing today's fun fact.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Brainrick. Today, I'm going to say go to find fact. Thank you.
Next, I call upon Chanvi Gowda to go with sharing the hygiene part of today's. Hold this. Yes, Chanvi. Hold this. What is this? She's going to tell us about how to brush our teeth. Play the song, sir.
Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth
You hold.
round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush.